Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple ID profile picture not showing after macOS 27 update on Mac. So if your Apple ID profile picture disappear right after updating to macOS 27, then you are not the only one facing this issue. After a major macOS update, your Mac needs some time to rebuild system data and sync everything with iCloud again. During this process, your Apple ID information may not load correctly, which is why your profile picture can temporarily disappear. The good thing is that your profile picture usually is not deleted from Apple ID. So let's go through a few things that can help bring it back. So to start with, give your Mac a little time to finish syncing with Apple services because background syncing continues even after the upload is installed. Make sure your Mac is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Keep it unlocked for a few minutes and check if the profile picture appear automatically. Now if it is still not showing, the next thing you should try is to open your Apple ID setting, and to do so, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Apple account at the top. After that, stay on this page for a few seconds because macOS sometimes refresh your Apple account detail as soon as this page is opened. But if nothing changes after that also, restart your Mac and is definitely worth trying. A restart reloads several background services that are responsible for iCloud syncing, and many temporarily glitch that appear after a major update disappear once the Mac start up again. So to restart your Mac, click on the Apple logo and then choose restart button. After that, click on restart again and that's it. Now if you are still facing the same problem, try sign out your Apple ID and then sign in back. Here you can see the sign out button and then follow the on-screen instruction to sign out. This forces your Mac to download your Apple ID information again, and once you have signed back in using the same Apple account, wait a few minutes and check whether the profile picture is returned or not. And one last thing I'd recommend checking is whether Apple has released another macOS 27 update. It's quite common for Apple to re-release follow-up updates shortly after a major version to fix bugs reported by users. So open system settings and then go to general. After that, click on software update, and if a new version of macOS 27 is available, install it, and after the update finish, check your Apple ID profile picture again, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.